So good morning, everybody. As always, welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping in. For our regulars, you're probably saying to yourself, Rich, you've been gone for 3 weeks. I have. I didn't mean to be. And in the next video, we'll talk about where I've been, what I've been doing, and what I've been working on. Right now, though, I want to focus on one part of the last 3 weeks, and that is building a new course presence online with FreshLearn. So we've been using Teachable for years for our classes, and this year we've decided to make a change to utilizing FreshLearn. And so for those of you who are students on our AZ drone setup, I wanted to let you know that you can transfer right on over to the new site anytime you'd like to. So we've got up until September 15th when the Teachable site will be completely gone and the FreshLearn site will be here. So that's what you're seeing right now on screen. And it looks just a touch different. So if I go up into the nav bar here, the new address is arizonadroneclasses.com. The other addresses will also appear after we shut down service with Teachable. So just a couple of weeks here. So what do you have to do? Well, it's pretty simple. So if you're already one of our students and you go to the arizonadroneclasses.com, over on the left-hand side top bar, there is a login button. Now we're going to have to say forgot the password right over here. And when we hit forgot the password, we can put our email that we used for our regular Teachable site, use that email to reset the password. So you pop in, use your email. My case would be digitalrv@mac.com. And after you submit that, you will get a notification via email. So make sure to watch your spam folder so that you're not ignoring the email coming in from FreshLearn, okay? Once you do the reset, you will actually be able to get right onto the site really quickly. So once I have finished, let's see here. Let's go back to login, our digital RV, and so I'm just logging right into my account, and there we go. Rich Charpentier, and then we can see the products that I'm enrolled in. I use this just as a test page for testing out different student stuff. So pretty simple, pretty easy. And if you are one of our students and haven't done so yet, stop by arizonadroneclasses.com and go ahead and do the password reset, and then you'll have access to all the classes that you've already had. So nothing is going away for you. And this is part of why I've been missing for 3 weeks. It was a longer process than I first anticipated when I contacted FreshLearn. And so there was some back-end issues, some issues with getting things loaded over, but we've worked through all of those, and all your classes are going to be available to you. So there's part of why we've been missing for 3 weeks. And also, I'm putting this out on Labor Day because this was quite the Labor Day challenge, you could say. So, and by the way, so I'll just click into one of these, and there we go. Also, for anyone who is not in our classes but curious about our classes, every single one of our classes does offer a free preview. So as you go through different classes, you can get a free preview of 2 videos for each class series to give you an idea. Hey, do I want to be on Rich's platform? Do I think it's going to be useful to me? And so this gives you a great opportunity to try things out and see what we have to say in each of the classes. All right, everybody, there will be another video coming up very soon this week, explaining where I've been, what I've been doing beyond doing this new hosting setup for our Arizona drone classes. All right, everyone, we'll see you again real soon.